Welcome to part 4. The code is already updated. The MongoDB migration is live. If you've been following along, you know the problem. GitHub storage has rate limits. Your bot breaks at 60 users. Sessions disappear. It's frustrating. Today, we fix that permanently. The old problem. GitHub storage. 60 requests per hour limit. Your bot works fine until user 61 tries to connect. Sessions vanish on server restart. Manual management, constant fixing. The new solution. MongoDB, no limits, professional database. Handle 10,000 users as easily as 10. Sessions survive crashes. Automatic everything. What's in the repository now? 1. Complete MongoDB collections. Sessions storage. Admin management. Newsletter tracking. User configurations. 2. Real-time dashboard. Open that dashboard. See all active sessions. Manage everything instantly. 3. Automatic migration. Existing sessions keep working. New sessions go to MongoDB. Zero data loss. Before vs after. GitHub method. Manual file editing. Rate limit errors. No analytics. Constant maintenance. MongoDB method. Web dashboard. Unlimited users. Real-time insights. Set and forget. What changes for you? Before, bot keeps disconnecting. After, always online. Before, settings reset daily. After, personalization lasts. Before, manual newsletter management. After, automatic channel following. Implementation. 1. Get MongoDB Atlas. Part 5, it's free. 2. Change one environment variable. 3. Deploy. 4. Done. No more rate limits. No lost sessions. Professional bot. Why this matters? This isn't just better code. It's better business. GitHub storage, Sanshi hobby project. MongoDB, professional service. 1 breaks under load. 1 scales infinitely. Your bot just changed. From tutorial demo that breaks to production tool that works. The code is live. The migration is built. Final word. I could keep making tutorials with GitHub storage. They're easier to film, easier to follow, but they don't work when real people use them. This migration fixes that permanently. Your bot just went from cool demo to reliable service. Subscribe for part 5 where we set up MongoDB Atlas. Join the WhatsApp channel for updates. The repository links are in the description. Build properly. Scale infinitely. Thanks for watching till the end.